For the Mini John Cooper works, New York City is the perfect stage. Like the metropolis on the US East Coast, the top performer from Mini is also characterized by energy, dynamism, and urban individuality. In the city that never sleeps, life pulsates even when there is already peace elsewhere. Perfectly suited for the highly sporty Mini John Cooper works. In the vibrant center of the 8 million person metropolis, the top performer manages to draw glances thanks to its exclusive design accents in chili red, the JCW roof spoiler, and the JCW rear diffuser in high gloss black. Its energetic appearance and purist design make a striking statement, even in the hectic Big Apple Mini John Cooper Works' confident appearance. The people in New York are considered ambitious, self-confident, and restless. They are the pacesetters of the city, which has been home to the dreams of millions for decades. The unmistakable go-kart feeling of the Mini John Cooper Works makes the character of the US metropolis tangible in every second. With its powerful 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-power turbo petrol engine with 1,998cc displacement, which delivers 231 bhp or 170 kilowatts to the road, the Mini John Cooper Works ensures maximum driving pleasure in the canyons of the city. With a maximum torque of 380 nanometers, the top performance model accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in 6.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Thanks to the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the powerful 3-door dominates the city traffic with its intense acceleration. The 2 standard shift paddles give the driver additional control over the performance. The adaptive sport suspension guarantees the typical Mini driving experience. The chili red brake system with JCW logo ensures precise braking and optimal control, even in unpredictable driving situations in bustling cities. A sporty dual-clutch automatic transmission enables quick gear shifts for dynamic acceleration. Using the 2 paddle shifters on the left and right of the steering wheel, the motorsport character of the new Mini John Cooper Works models can be experienced particularly intensely. The specific suspension settings guarantee a go-kart feeling, combined with agile handling. The brake system in chili red with JCW logo ensures precise and safe braking even in demanding driving situations. Mini JCW in New York City, stylish individualist. The large octagonal high-gloss black front grille with the tricolour John Cooper Works logo and the Mini LED headlights with horizontal daytime running lights in the JCW signature give the front of the Mini John Cooper Works its purest character. The hood stripes, exterior mirror caps, and roof are in the exclusive contrasting colour chili red, which sets stylish accents on the Nanook white paint finish. The 18-inch John Cooper Works lap spoke 2-tone wheels complete the uncompromisingly sporty exterior design. A clearly designed cockpit with a JCW Sport steering wheel, high-resolution OLED display, and the typical mini toggle switch panel, as well as JCW Sport seats in the typical red and black color scheme, creates a motorsport atmosphere in the interior. Intelligent assistance for driving pleasure and safety. The latest assistance systems also ensure safe and relaxed driving in the Mini John Cooper Works. 12 ultrasonic sensors and 4 surround cameras assist with speed, distance, lane keeping, or parking. The newly designed Mini navigation with 3D visualization and augmented view brings driver and passenger to their destinations stress-free, even in the urban jungle of New York City. The clearly designed cockpit is structured by the JCW Sport steering wheel, the high-resolution OLED display, and the typical mini toggle bar. With a diameter of 240 mm, the new central instrument with a high-quality glass surface provides relevant information at any time and can be easily operated by the driver and passenger. Additional options for climate, media, telephone, and navigation settings can be controlled via touch or voice control. This creates additional space in the center console for storage on where smartphones can be charged via wireless charging. The go-kart mode is a perfect match for the new John Cooper Works models. With this mini experience mode, the cockpit ambience is completely tailored to performance and motorsport flair. In this mode, the display shows the driver not only the speed, but also other performance-related data such as torque, the power retrieved in bhp or kilowatts, and the current g-force. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news, advice and reviews.